Yo. Sorry, yo, me feel sick from the past couple of days and I have something called strep throat or some shit like that, yo. But however, yo, it is what it is, my boy. But welcome back to the channel. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. As you can tell, my spirit kind of down. Guys, isn't it? Throat hurt me. Wifey, throat hurt me. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna jump in a new music video, a new song where before the song even release, it'll take over TikTok, which is from the great Valiant, featuring DJ Mac, the producer. The song is called Down. So we're gonna big up the screen and then we're gonna take it from there. So see me? So remember, like, comment, subscribe. Sorry for the low energy. Let's go.
Dimples in her back finger, wrist girl back shot.
That's the man.
Me love stretch mark on your body charm, I'ma slap that.
Remember, like, comment, subscribe.
Badness, the way you go down. Go baby, go down.
Man, I lie. I forgot to pull it up. I like that. The melody, one thing with Valiant, this man know to find melody and flow.
Dimples in her back finger, wrist girl back shot.
That's the man.
Me love stretch mark on your body charm, I'ma slap that.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Badness, the way you go down.
And again, your intro have 80% of your intro is 80% of people staying on your video. Alright? Or want to listen to your song. If your intro don't sound good, people are gonna say, this sound like shit already.
Go baby, go down. Love when you go down.
Alright. This have a little, you know what I mean?
Love when you go down. Chips on the money, please alright. Ex-girlfriend, lean at nice, you know.
Valiant and lean at night today. I wish Rock me live under.
Shouldn't trouble like Jesus Christ. Fresh like my bed, like me baptized. Pretty like a pussy.
Am I lean at night today?
Love when you go down. Chips on the money, please alright.
I like this song already.
Ex-girlfriend, lean at nice, you know me shouldn't trouble.
I joke.
Jesus Christ, fresh like my bed, like me baptized. Pretty little pussy, you feel like that. Then on the pussy raw, me not wise, that only.
Dog said they had the pussy raw, me not nice. I rhyme again with Lee not nice. Boom.
That makes you feel one vibe. Caribbean girl have a deep.
No. I love the song so far. Me not lie. It's a bad, but like, make we go back couple. Right as well. Hold on. Go again.
Fresh like my bed, like me baptized. Pretty little pussy, you feel like that. Then on the pussy raw, me not wise. That only you makes you feel one vibe.
That is true. Get on that. Julio.
Caribbean girl have a demon wine. Skin clean, she not carry no odor. Like I love it, everything in her throat bag. Me love it when you throw it.
No. Imagine I tried to do music for so many years, get violated by Popcorn himself, which wasn't a move that I actually agreed with. I think as somebody who actually make it in the music already, if I try help the youth somewhere, try make it. You see me? So just imagine say one little slang, bro, one little father catch you at a lie, give Valiant the platform, and Valiant take the platform and master it. Incredible.
Up and down, she go roll her boat. Hit that bunk, show her more and more. Seductive girl can hold her own skin.
Like, comment, subscribe.
I'm stopping at you. I love it when you go down. Love it when you go down. Love it when you go. Love it when you go.
Now may I beg Valiant, please, do not repeat the first verse. Just write a different verse, please.
Love when you go down. Love when you go down.
Remember, like, comment, subscribe. However, if I was the videographer or the creative mind behind the video, I think I would have done a little bit better. You understand what I mean? Yeah.
Is that then me no play dandition? When she wine me and she fall upon there. Like a key, I tall like a donkey. Me no name you, me no do hanky panky. The lie is a style.
However, the song sound good. The video is good. I just think the video could have used a little bit more. Like, comment, subscribe for sure.
Anyone who party, we kick off for landing. Chain that I bling on my pants, me clocks, me on wear, so I'm gonna for brandish.
That off.
You're pretty so, and a man turn up on the telephone. Your lips them feel like you're fat. The pool where you wine when you live off of that. Go. A round of applause.
Now I want to see Alkaline with some accolades, you know. I want to see Alkaline with some gold records, some Billboard plaque on them something there. You see me? I feel like the dog have too much bad song for now that. We need some international hit from the dog.
Slip up on the cookie like your blow nose. I'm your man.
Yeah, while I go see man blow the smoke in her face, you know. I'm merely I think I'm boxing man, boxing girl, you know.
You're my girl. What's the plan? What's the plan? You're my girl. I'm your man.
I'm thinking smart. I lead that nice him sing this one now. What are they? Gone Girl. Jillian Lynn. Is that supposed to like have a significant meaning in the video? Please comment down below and let me know.
What's the plan? Let you go down.
No, the song is more like a seductive song to me, and I think there is not enough seductiveness in the video. But so far, I like it, you know. Don't get me wrong, you know. But I just don't think there is enough. You know, there's no footage matching the song, evidently. If that make any sense to you guys.
Go baby, go down. Love when you go down. Love when you go down.
I would just probably use the videos with woman skin out and them something there. I feel like I just that.
Excuse me, miss. Can you swallow my kids? My dick between your tits. That touch your lips.
Alright. No. We are going to be 100% honest. Alkaline. I am Alkaline. What was I say? DJ Mac. Valiant. Phenomenal. Now, there's one thing I can say, yo, DJ Mac young in the game when he come on to producing, but I feel like him in a long time. How him a come right now, why if he come, how he's approaching the industry right now is like him seasoning it already, and him already have all the tools where him need. Him have a group of artists where him work with, and them a produce bangers. Alkaline, Almani, the young kid named Ziddy. Him have a one or two song where they actually create a buzz. You see me? But DJ Mac is like, honestly, DJ Mac coming to me, him coming like London on the track. You know? You're great, I just in a one look a corner by yourself or do your thing. You see me? So the song, I get the song a 10 out of 10. You see me? This is a great song in terms of club, chill, yeah, your woman there and you try, you know? So when you have when you have 3 different categories where you can place a song in, that time you know say yo, you have a good song. Cause some people just make club bangers. You see me? This is a song where you can sit back, chill, smoke a spliff, drink some juice, or whatever I want to do. You see me? For me, I don't do none of that. So I probably eat some vegan food. But yeah, the video, no, I said this before. The video needed footage. There wasn't enough footage to match the song itself. You understand? You and the girl in her bed. You see me? There's nothing matching the actual lyrics of the song. But however, the video was good to me. I'm gonna give the video a 8. You see me? And like me say, if them just have footage to match the lyrics of the song, boom. You understand? It would have been very, very good. Because one thing people don't understand, when you have footage matching your the songs, it gravitate more to people. People gravitate more to it because people are listening, and while they're listening, they're getting an image of what you're saying in the video. And that's something when we think enough videographer understand. You see me? And I think if we put that to play, it will come out very, very beneficial to you guys. But anyway, if you don't have any opinion, if you don't have anything against what me I say on a free for voice an opinion, but that's just my opinion. You see me? Shout out to Valiant, big song. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.